Hello, and I'm here to teach you how to play Paint by the Paper Kites on your guitar. It is easily one of the easiest songs that you can learn if you're just starting off how to play guitar, or maybe you just want to learn a new song today and that's why you clicked on this video. There's two things you want to change about your guitar though. First things first, you want to tune your low E string down to a D. And once you do that, you're going to want to grab a capo. But before you click off this video saying, I don't have a capo, I'm going to teach you how to make a capo at home with just a pencil and a rubber band. In order to make our capo, we need two things. We need an elastic band and a pencil. And I don't really have a good elastic band for this. You really want one that's like twice as small as this one, but we'll make it work. So what you want to do is you want to put the elastic band over the pencil and spin it around and put it through a couple times like this, just to make it smaller and stronger. Once you do that enough, you're going to want to put the stronger side of it at the top of your guitar, because the low strings are harder to push down than the smaller strings. And once you do that, you have it like this. You're going to want to take your elastic band, put it over the back of the neck and stretch it out. Hopefully I don't break my band. There you go. And you put it down just like that on the other side of the pencil. And now you have a capo. So we're going to hop right into the intro here. You're going to take your middle finger, you're going to put it down on the 11th fret of the low E string, and you're going to want to take your index finger and you're going to want to have it on the D string. And you're literally just going to pluck back and forth, pluck back and forth. It's the easiest thing in the world. So we're going to start off 11th finger down on the low E, hit that D string, hit it, the E again, D, and then we're going to slide down our middle finger down to the 9th fret of the low E, and we're going to do that again. We're going to let go, and we're going to do that one more time. And then we're going to want to take our middle finger again, and we're going to want to put that down on the 7th fret of the low E string, and we're going to want to do that back and forth measure 8 times. So in total, you're going to pluck 16 times. And you're going to want to repeat that process twice. From there, we're going to do the first verse. And you know what's great about this song is that all the verses are exactly the same. They don't differ whatsoever. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take our middle finger, put it down on the 11th fret of that low E, and you're going to want to do the plucking back and forth motion. Do that twice. Slide down to the 7th. Do that twice. Let go. Do that twice. Put your middle finger down on the 5th fret, the 7th fret of the low E string, and you're going to want to hit that a total of 6 times. And then you're going to want to slide up to the 7th fret again, and you're going to hit that twice. Let go, and hit that twice. And then you're going to want to repeat that process a total of 4 times. And once you do that, we're going to switch it up a little bit. You're going to want to put your middle finger back down on the 11th fret of the low E string, hit that twice, slide down, hit that twice, let go, hit that twice, put your middle finger back down on the 5th fret, but instead of six times, you're going to hit it 4 times. And slide back up to the 7th fret, hit that twice, let go, hit 0 twice, and a slight change here. After you do that second, you want to take your index finger and you're going to want to put it down on the 6th fret of the D string, and you're going to get this nice little sound. So it's going to sound like this. The next part is the interlude, and it's literally what we just did, but backwards. So we're going to want to put our middle finger, 11th fret, you know the deal. 1, 2, slide 1, 2, let go, 1, 2, 5th fret, 4 times. Slide back up to the 7th, twice, let go, twice, 4th fret on that D string. And then you're only going to want to do that once, and then you're going to want to do the whole spiel over again. And once you do that, put your index finger down, middle finger, whatever, down on the 5th fret, and you're going to want to hit that 6 times. Slide back up to the 7th, twice, let go, hit that twice. You're going to want to do that last part 4 times. So the first part once, second part 4 times. This next part is the chorus of this song, and it is different than all the other parts, just slightly. You want to start off with your middle finger on the 5th fret, and we're still going to do that back and forth motion, but we're going to do it a little differently this time with our finger on the low E. It's going to start off with 4 hits of the 5th fret. Slide up to the 7th fret, do that twice, let go, and hit that 8 times. Middle finger back down on the 5th fret, do that 4 times, and then let go and hit that 8 times. Middle finger back down on that 5th fret again, and you're going to want to repeat what we did in the first one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, slide up, hit the 7th fret twice, and then let go, hit that 8 times. And then what we're want to do is we want to put our our finger back down on the 7th fret, and we're going to want to hit that 8 times, let go, hit that 8 times, and then we're going to want to hit the 6th fret on the D string again. Next comes the verse, followed by the chorus once again. Next comes a verse, and then the chorus, and then another verse. And once you do that, we're now at the outro, which is roughly the same as everything else, but it's different nonetheless. 11th fret, D string, hit that twice, slide down, 7th fret twice, let go twice, 5th fret 6 times. Slide up to the 7th fret. Let go. Twice. Do that 4 times in a row, and then you're going to want to do this. Back again to the 11th fret. Twice. Slide down to the 7th. Let go. Twice. 5th fret 4 times. Slide up to the 7th. Let go twice. And then we're going to finish off the song with that really, really nice sounding 6th fret on the D string. And that's the song. I hope you learned something new today. And if you liked the video, why don't you tell me by leaving a like so I know to make more videos like this.